I'm applying Elizabeth Mott's Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer on my eyes. I'm using Too Faced's I Want Kandee palette. And I'm starting by applying the color Ice Cream all over from the eyelid to the brow bone. I'm applying the color Taupe Berry with a lab just blending in brush in the crease. And this is a super big brush that is so nice for getting in a nice transition. I'm going in with the Vasanti Contour Eyeshadow number 4 brush and the color Sugar Plum and focusing that color right in the crease. Those two shadows blended together are really beautiful. I'm taking the color Frosted Pink and applying that all over the eyelid. I'm using Clinique's Pretty Easy liquid eyelining pen to apply a liner. I'm applying some Sumptuous Extreme Estee Lauder mascara on the top lashes. And I'm going to apply some face makeup, eyebrows, and lashes. I am back with lashes, face makeup, and eyebrows. The lashes I'm wearing are from Allure and Vegas Nay in Platinum Princess. And next, I'm going in with a little bit of Taupe Berry underneath my eyes. I'm using the color Whipped Cream in the inner corner. Whipped Cream makes a beautiful inner corner highlight. In the waterline underneath my eye, I'm using ColourPop's Gel Cream Liner in the color Mr. Bing, which is kind of like a fawn brown. I'm adding some Rimmel Lash Accelerator mascara on the bottom lashes. For highlighter, I'm using Kandee and Too Faced's Kandee Glow Luminizer. This is really fun because it comes in a little stick. Super easy to apply. And this blends really nicely over your foundation, your bronzer. And of course, it smells delicious. Starting with a clean lips, my first layer is going to be Blackberry from LipSense. Layer number 2 is going to be Mauve Ice. And third layer is also going to be Mauve Ice. So this is what 1 layer of Blackberry and 2 layers of Mauve Ice looks like. And I'm topping with Opal Gloss, which you may need to stir up a little bit. It's really easy to just open it and then give it a good stir. And you can see on my bottom lip here how that opal gives a really pretty blue iridescent sheen. So here is our final makeup look using the I Want Kandee and Too Faced eye palette along with some fun LipSense colors on the lips. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more makeup tutorials and product reviews. Also, leave me a comment below. Let me know what ideas you have for different makeup looks that you would like to see. And if you are interested in LipSense, you can get in contact with me below. Have a beautiful week. I almost forgot. I wanted to introduce you guys to Coco. Coco is a Maltese Poo and she is my brand new pup. Here she is.